Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram highlights loading problem. To know how to fix Instagram highlights loading problem, you should just go to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram, and when you will see this page you will go to first stop. Then you will enter to storage here. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram highlights loading problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you.